Max Fashion's ninth Disney collaboration launches with a Lilo Stitch-themed kids festival, featuring Neha Dupia in a playful style celebration, Bengaluru, 27th May 2025. Building on its legacy as a pioneer in the Indian fashion landscape, Max Fashion launched the latest edition of Max Kids Festival in Bangalore. Max's long-running partnership with Disney gets a playful update this year with the addition of Stitch, creating a whimsical and imaginative space where fashion meets.
I feel the conventional part is definitely the storytelling, and Lilo and Stitch by itself is such a huge story for kids. It's when a child travels into Fantasyland and they start believing in these characters, they know that they can literally, if you had to wear your heart on your sleeve, because they're in love with these characters, they wear them on and they feel like they're a part of that world. That's the part of the conventional storytelling which fashion needs to bring in. And of course, making it look great, making it affordable, making it accessible via the Max network, making sure that the designs are in place. There's a fit check for all different kinds of kids as well, because it's not, today the child that we're dressing is not dressing according to us. They have a mind of their own, so they want to go out there. The amount of options that they have within one collection. I mean, sometimes as a consumer, and I'd like to see myself as that, and I'd like to see myself as a mom, because I have 2 children. I don't know where to start buying and I don't know where to stop buying because the options are so many. And I really think that when it comes to the price point, you don't want to spend such a large amount of money on your child's clothing, because you also want to make, they're ever so growing, their moods are changing. There's so much spillage that they have on their clothes, everything gets spoiled. So you want to make sure that it's affordable, you want to make sure it's fashionable, you want to make sure that somewhere if your child is trying to tell a story or believes in a character, they shouldn't be left out. And I feel like the combination of a parent, a child and Max Fashion is by far so beautiful the minute they wear it. And I feel like the kids today were walking the ramps so happy. A part of that narrative was also the characters that they were wearing.
Exactly.
Yeah, I feel budget, and of course also the styles. It's not that it's just something that you get which is inexpensive, but you also get great quality, great style, a lot of kind of options to buy within a certain category. So, and they have subcategories. So for women, they'll have athleisure. For women, they'll have, for the office-going woman, they'll have a different kind of collection. For, pre-teens and teens, they'll have a different collection. So there's something in there for everyone. You can literally pick up your shopping bag, and me as a family, or like, my husband, my kids and me, all of us can go in and shop, and we'll all come back with our hands full and even our pockets full still, because we won't have such a huge dent.
How you're going to recommend your fans regarding Max?
Already done so. I've been associated with Max this is my second time around. The last time I was here was almost a year ago. And if you're talking about my fans, firstly, thank you for the love always, but they know I wear a lot of Max.